Hello students, we are doing subject environmental studies part 1 lesson number 20. I will be responsible and sensitive. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4 online studies. Now we will see the lesson number 20. I will be responsible and sensitive. What is the word responsible? What do we mean by responsible? As we are having some responsibilities, some duties towards someone. As a human being, we have some responsibilities and some duties towards someone. The other word we will see sensitive. Sensitive means it shows to understand people's feelings, problems. As a human being, we should be able to understand others' feelings, how others feel, and also others' problems. So, it is very much important to be responsible and sensitive. Here we can see the first picture. Here, 3 girls are dancing, and we can see backside loud music is going on. Now, what happened here? It was Deepika's birthday. And she had invited her friends to her house. Just like you, when your birthday is there, you invite friends to your house to cut the cake, then to talk with your friends, to have fun with your friends. In the same way, Deepika invited her friends to her house. When her friends came at her house, she put on music at a loud volume. She have done the volume loud, and all of them, they began to dance. And all her friends, they began to dance and have fun. Now, at her neighbor, there was an elder person, just of the age of her grandfather. Elder person was sitting at his home. So, he suffered from high blood pressure. He was suffering the problem from high blood pressure. So, he could not tolerate very loud music. The music was very loud. So, he could not tolerate it. He got disturbed because of that loud music. So, he went and he asked Deepika to turn down the volume. He said, Deepika, that please turn the volume down. I am getting disturbed. I can't tolerate the loud music. Deepika realized that he was suffering because of the loud music. She came to know, Deepika understood that yes, he was suffering from the loud music. So what she had done then, she turned the volume down, and then they started their birthday party again. So in this way, she listened to neighbor elder person. Now here in this picture we can see what incident happened over here. This boy is Rahul and his grandmother. Now Rahul's grandmother used to wait for him till he returned from school. Every day she used to wait for him till he returned from school. Then once when he returned from the school, she gave something to eat. Then after eating, she was eager to talk with Rahul, and she just wanted to know that how Rahul have spent his day in the school. But Rahul was interested in eating and after that watching the cartoons on television. He was not at all interested to talk to his grandmother. So grandmother felt very bad. She felt very bad. Even Rahul's parents noticed this and they also felt bad. So one day Rahul's father explained to him that how his behavior hurt his grandmother. He should not behave in such a way with his grandmother. He should talk to grandmother because she was waiting for him, and even to share whatever fun or whatever studies he have done in his school hours. So Rahul realized his mistake when his fathers explained him. When Rahul's father explained him, he realized his mistake, and from then onwards he began to talk to his grandmother lovingly. As see, children, grandparents are there at home. They like to talk to you. So it is your duty, your responsibility to understand their feelings and talk with them. It will make them happy. In such a way, after talking to his father, Rahul realized his mistake and he started talking lovingly with his grandmother. Now here some questions are given. Why was Rahul's and Deepika's behavior wrong? As Deepika made the music loud and she was doing fun with her friends, so her behavior was wrong because she didn't care of others. And even Rahul, his behavior was wrong because he came and he started watching the television. He was not interested to talk with his grandmother, so even his behavior was wrong. So how did they correct their mistake? When the elder person came and said Deepika to turn down the music, she realized her mistake and she turned down the music. In this way she corrected her mistake. And when Rahul understood that his behavior was wrong, he should talk with his grandmother. So at that time he started talking lovingly with his grandmother. In this way he correct his mistake. So there might be old people in your house also, so even you have to behave properly with them. What help can you offer to them? We all either live with or are related to old people. Everybody have grandfather, grandmother. They are with us. So they love us and pamper us. They always take care of us. However, they cannot run about and play like us. Now they cannot run and play like us because they are old now. So they often need some small task done. They often need small help from others. So how we can help them? We can bring medicines from the market for them. We can remove the things from lifts, or threading needles. We can thread needle. In this way we can help to these old people. Then if we carry out these tasks for them, it is of great help for them. It will give them great help and they will feel happy. So if the TV or music is played loudly, it can be very disturbing for them. So whenever you play the music, You can play it at a small volume, low volume. No need to turn it loud because it can disturb others. At such time, we must lower the volume. While having fun, while doing our birthday parties or marriage, we should take care about others also. We must lower the volume. Now students, grandparents are often at home all day. They are often at home. They, as their age, they retire from their job and they sit at home. So they only pass time by talking to their children or grandchildren. They are very much curious about what their grandchildren does at school whole day. They are always interested to know about them. They are always interested to help them, talk to them, play with them, because they have great affection for their grandchildren. Now they feel happy when we speak to them. So when you speak to them, they feel very happy. So it is your duty, your responsibility to talk to them and keep them happy. You should be sensitive, you should have feelings, and you should understand about others' problems. It is your duty. Now what is given here? If someone at home or in the neighborhood is suffering from an illness, what should you do? Put a tick mark if it is correct. If it is wrong, then put a cross. First it is given, we should visit the patient frequently at any odd hour. If anyone is admitted in the hospital, you can meet at any time? No. Particular meeting hours is given. In that time you have to meet the patient. You can't disturb him or her at any other odd time. The patient should be given medicine at proper time. Yes, the patient should be given medicine at proper time. The patient should be offered fried food. When the patient is unwell, he should not be provided with the fried food. The patient should not be given unwanted advice. Yes, everything good advice should be given by doctor. The patient must be given meals at the right time. He should be given meal at the right time. One can watch TV at a loud volume in a patient's room? No. It can disturb him. Then the patient must be bathed only as per doctor's order. If the patient has any skin infection problem or any problem for which doctor's advice is necessary, then yes, only after doctor's order that patient can be bathed. When the patient is better, medicine should be stopped immediately without consulting the doctor? No. When the patient, even if he feels better, he should stop the medicine only after taking the advice of the doctor. Immediately he should not stop the medicine by his own. He should take the advice of the doctor. Now we all wish for a patient to get well soon. If any patient is admitted, we go to meet them. We tell them to get well soon. For this we should follow the doctor's advice and should take care accordingly. After giving first aid for injuries, the patient must be taken straight to a hospital or a primary health center. If it is very much needed to admit a patient, it should be done. Patient should be admitted and medicine should be given only as per the doctor's advice. Then do not depend on telemons. Do not talismans. You should not depend on talismans. Talismans means what? An object that is believed to have magic powers and to bring good luck. Just like any stones, diamond stones, that you should not believe in such things as anything has any magic powers and something. So you should not believe in this talismans and amulets. You should not believe in all such things. Even you should not believe in incantations. You should not believe in incantations. Incantations means special words that have any magic powers, just like tantra mantra is said. So any magic words, magic powers, so you should not believe in that. You should directly consult to a doctor. If any particular person has any particular problem, then he should meet to the doctor and take medicines. This is a responsibility. So half of the part we will continue in part 2. Thank you.